Excuse me, love. Can I just get in with the Hoover here?
I want you off the f***ing set, you
Well, sorry, Mr. Big Shot.
No, don't just be sorry. Think for one second.
You can't talk to her like that.
Am I going to walk around and rip your lights down in the middle of a scene?
Rip me tights down? Aye, glad. Today's getting better.
We're only doing a bit of dusting.
Then why the are you walking right through? Da-da-da-da like this in the background. What the is it with you?
Have you been singing again, Elsie? But that's not even a decent tune.
You got any idea about, hey, it's distracting having somebody walking up behind Bryce in the middle of the scene? Give me a answer.
There's no need to be rude. Are you easily distracted? You need to concentrate more.
Do you know what I don't get about this?
What don't you get about it?
Why, he's sitting in his office all on his own, shouting.
Oh, Lord knows. Mr. Bale, we've done the whole rest of the building.
Oh, good for you. And how was it?
Well, it went as well as could be expected.
I hope it was good because it's useless now, isn't it?
No, it's not. We did a very good job. Put a real shine on everything. We're professionals.
Sake, man, you're amateur.
No, professional.
Amateur.
Professional.
Amateur.
Professional.
Amateur.
Now stop that. It's childish.
Right, let's go again.
No, just take a minute and you'll see that it's childish.
Let's not take a minute. Let's go again.
Okay, professional.
Amateur.
Professional.
Amateur.
Amateur.
Professional. No. No. Sake.
Stop this nonsense. We're going to come back later when you've got a civil tongue in your head.
You don't understand what it's like working with actors. That's what that is.
Okay, Mr. B. We'll be back later on.
Hey, baby, I'm your telephone name.